Everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. Now, if you're looking to separate these two accounts, whether it's for privacy or just to manage them independently, now I've got you covered. Now, the first thing you need to do is to head over to Instagram, and then guys, you're going to be tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now this takes you to your profile, and then guys, you're going to be tapping on the three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you'll be going to settings and privacy. You want to tap on the first option there that says account center. Now when you get over here at account center, you want to scroll down to where you see accounts. You are going to be tapping on the Facebook page or the Facebook account that you want to remove or unlink from your Instagram. Now when you get here, you want to tap on remove account. For me, I'm not going to be giving the final instruction for my account to be removed because I still want them linked, but go ahead and tap on yes if you want this Facebook account totally unlinked from your Instagram. And that is how you unlink your Facebook from your Instagram in just few simple steps. Now I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials just like this.